So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished repairing a Type B PEX line up in the attic. It's 1-inch hot water supplying the water heater, which is in the right corner of the garage down below. All those wires were on the left side of the pipe and everything was locked into place. So what we had to do is cut it down real low next to the drywall ceiling, and then we put a coupling down there, got it, and then moved the pipes out of the way, got it up above the pipe and tied it in right here, so it's a straight shot. Otherwise it would have been a nasty curve coming into a straight fitting, and we didn't like that. So anyways, we took a picture of the spray, showed it to the homeowner so he knows where that was at. From here you got your existing T in place with the crimp ring on the 1-inch line, not the red 3/4. That's Uponor tubing over to a SharkBite 90, and then Uponor tubing down to a SharkBite coupling, and below that is Type B. I can't remember who this is. I don't know if it's Nibco or Zern. It's Zern PEX. So anyways, I think this is the second or third time, I don't know, fourth time we've been out here. You can see the other repairs that we did down here. And anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.